Hey guys, today I'm going to go through a touch car wash. Now, I have been going through a touchless car wash in the Quad Cities now for, I don't know, since I bought my car about a year and a half now. But one of the things that I've noticed is that the trim that goes around the windows and the doors, it gets this like little marbling looking effect. From all the chemicals that they use that in a touchless car wash just don't seem to get wiped off by any of the moving parts. So today I am switching to a touch car wash, and I am going to go through the Silver Star car wash in the Quad Cities in East Moline. So let's go ahead and see how it works. And if you haven't ever done this before, I can walk you through the process for getting your car through this car wash without any problems. So let's just go ahead and get started with the car wash. So let me move my camera so that it's not in the way, and I'll point it right here at the screen. Actually, I'll point it at me, and I'll kind of show you around as we go through the car wash. I think it's going to be interesting. Now, let's just go ahead and get started. So no self-driving involved in this, so we're going to have to use manual drive to get into the car wash. So we're just going to go ahead and pull around. I'm already at the car wash, and I'm basically I was just at the vacuums, and vacuums here are amazing. If you're going to vacuum your car, you want good vacuums with lots of good suction that will pull up all the rocks, all the sand and dirt and grime that gets in your car. You want that. You really do. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can go through the members lane only, and that was going over here. So one of the things that I think that's pretty cool about a Tesla is it's like it knows you're at a car wash. Now, I'm not sure if it's going to do it this time, but usually when I use full self-driving to navigate here, it knows that I'm at the car wash. And when I pull up right about here, it will give me a notification that I'm at a car wash. But right now it's not going to do that because I'm not using full self-driving in the navigation system. So the car really doesn't know that I'm at a car wash yet. Okay, so as you can see, we're going to line up here with our wheels. And one of the things that we want to do is we want to put our brake on and put it in car wash mode and then pull forward. And the guy is guiding us in straight ahead. No big deal. And then once he gives us the red side of the card, we're going to go ahead and stop. And we're going to push this enable free roll. That's it. And now you just let the car go. Now I had to push the brake to get that to show up. So you have to put your foot on the brake so you're basically completely stopped, enable free roll, and then the car will just let you go through. So let's just take a look at what this looks like here. All right, so here we are. We're going through the car wash. I mean, I feel like this is pretty good. Now, I've been to a number of these. I've been going to the power wash in East Moline. I'm not sure where it's really located. And I've been through Club Car Wash in my older cars. My daughter still goes to Club Car Wash, and I don't know, maybe one is better than the other. I don't know, really, to tell you the truth. So, like, maybe it doesn't really matter. But Club Car Wash, I think, for me, was one of the best car washes I'd ever been to. You can see we're getting all the way around the vehicle. It's kind of wiping against the windshields. Now, one of the things you'll notice here is my mirrors, they automatically folded in when I went into car wash mode. And as you can see here, it like turns the climate to recirculating. It changes walk-away door locks to off, automatic wipers to off, parking assist chimes to off, Sentry mode off. You can fold and unfold the mirrors. I don't know why you would ever open the trunk. And you also get this little warning here that says, Vehicle will remain in neutral and free rolling. One thing is there's ghosts in the car wash. If you didn't notice this, there's always somebody walking behind me in the car wash. They've got to be drenched by now, but it's going to automatically shift to park when we exit. Automatic shift to park when exiting vehicle is disabled. So like if you were in an emergency situation in the car wash and you had to get out of the vehicle, it's not going to shift into park, which is good because it would completely damage your car and probably the rollers that kind of get you through the car wash here. So here we're going through the dryers now. It's working pretty good. I always had to really clean my car off when I would do it myself through the touchless car wash. But now once we're actually completely out, we can just exit free roll and we put it in the drive and we just keep on going. Put your foot on the brake, put it in drive, and then you go. That's it for the car wash. I just wanted to kind of give you a quick video guide of how to use car wash mode in your Tesla. If you've never done it, when you go to a touchless car wash, it's pretty straightforward. You just drive in, you stop, and it just washes your car. But like I said, the trim doesn't get done very well. It gets this like marbling effect. And then when you do a touch car wash, it's much better. It really cleans those things, wipes them off, and gets those chemicals really kind of off of the trim. And now you know how to use the free roll option in a car wash. And if you use FSD to get there, it will actually know that you're at a car wash and present you with the option, are you at a car wash? Which is pretty cool. You didn't see it here, but it will do that if you're using full self-driving to get to the car wash. All right, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you've got any comments about things you've experienced in car washes using your Tesla and full self-driving, let me know what those are. I'd like to hear about those in the comments. And if you're looking to buy a Tesla, you can go to qcteslaguy.com, and at the top of the page, there is a referral button that you can click, and that will get you 3 free months of full self-driving. Now, if you haven't seen my previous videos about my first 18 months of ownership of this Tesla, go watch that here. And if you haven't seen my video where I use full self-driving's actual smart summon go to target feature, it's here. Thanks for watching. And until next time, use technology, drive safe so that you can live life.